Gray parrots have the reasoning abilities of a 3-year-old child, and scientists proved it using nothing more than 2 cups and a walnut. These incredible birds can literally talk, count, and dance in rhythm. But their intelligence goes way deeper than just mimicking sounds. Researchers at the University of Vienna gave parrots a choice between 2 cups where only one contained a nut. When the cup with food was shaken, the parrots chose it based on the rattling sound, which seems simple enough. But here's where it gets absolutely mind-blowing. The parrots could still identify the correct cup when only the empty one was shaken, proving they understand it's the nut itself making the sound. When scientists played a recording of the rattle without shaking the cup, the parrots didn't choose that container, showing they genuinely comprehend cause and effect. This task is something humans can do from age 3, along with great apes like gorillas. But monkeys and dogs completely fail it. The experiment only worked when cups were shaken horizontally, because vertical motion mimics the head-bobbing parrots use to communicate with each other. These birds aren't just repeating tricks. They're actually thinking through problems, using logic and reasoning that rivals young children and our closest primate relatives.